There have been more incidents now of staff being injured inside the Erie County Medical Center psychiatric facility.
Last month, the News 4 Investigates team told us about several staffers injured at the hands of patients. Now there's word of doctors being hurt. Here's News 4's Luke Moretti.
Yeah, Don and Jackie, tonight the hospital is saying very little about the incidents involving two physicians. We know the incidents happened, the doctors were injured, and that the patients involved were arrested. The Erie County Medical Center confirms that there have been two incidents involving physicians. A hospital spokesman tells News 4 Investigates that both physicians received injuries but were released soon after they were treated. Sources familiar with the situation say one incident happened on April 16th and the other occurred a week later on April 23rd. Both incidents, according to sources, happened on floors outside of the hospital psychiatric emergency room known as CPEP. According to the hospital, both patients were arrested by ECMC hospital police. An ECMC spokesman would not comment on specifics, citing state privacy laws and the hospital's own privacy policy involving behavioral health patients. In a statement, a hospital spokesman says ECMC continues to strive to maintain a safe work environment while treating these sometimes difficult and challenging patients.
I got my ass handed to me. I do not want this happening to anybody else because I know what it has done to me.
Last month, News 4 Investigates brought you the story of ECMC psychiatric nurse Corey Spadone, who was assaulted and injured by a patient almost a year ago. She said the hospital needs to do a better job of protecting employees from violent episodes involving patients.
I have nightmares every single night, and it's not necessarily about the gentleman who assaulted me. It's about not being protected.
Dr. Michael Cummings is the executive director of behavioral health at ECMC. Here's what he said last month in response.
Never have a situation where, a hospital is 100% safe. It's just not possible. But, these are individuals that are part of our team that we really do everything we can to support.
Now, our report last month centered around incidents in the hospital psychiatric emergency room known as CPEP, but sources familiar with the situation say these kinds of violent episodes are not just confined to CPEP, and they point to what happened earlier this month. Luke Moretti, News 4.